Morning. Here we are again, back in the bathroom looking at our rain shower. Just a bit of an update really. It's been a few months. I thought you might like to see how it's going or not. If you look carefully, particularly here and here, and that one, they're not working. It's not a problem, they're just full of limescale, which we get a lot of around here. So all I've got to do is to rub each nozzle to solve the problem. The problem, if you will, is that there are 144 of them. It will only take me a couple of minutes. There we go. Good as new. One tip. Don't do it while the shower's actually on. Unless, of course, you're having a shower. As always, thank you for watching. And if you'd like to help support the channel, please buy me a coffee.